Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail again. This is a 2001 Camaro. Wait a minute. 2001 Camaro as is. Oh yeah, I actually went to a thrift store because I like buying old furniture and fixing it up. And man, I was in for a treat. Somebody donated a carbon fiber Camaro hood. Look at that. It's beautifully oxidized, okay? But you can tell what we use this. You probably have seen it in another video where we show people how to polish them out and stuff. We have a product, and that product is designed to clean these paint jobs. So a lot of people that bought these hoods, when they turn like this, nothing brings them back, but our stuff does. It's called Lukat. I'll show you in just a moment. But there's no when they take them to shops, they want to sand them down and re-clear coat them, but you don't have to, okay? And we'll show you that in just a moment. All right. Okay, we're gonna use this. This is the Lukat Fix It. It's not a wax, okay? This is paint cleaner, okay? It's made for cleaning paint. This right here is carbon fiber. You just put it on like that. I'm gonna use a terry cloth towel, okay? Yeah. And then I'm just gonna polish back and forth. You don't need to use a lot of elbow grease to do this. You just go back and forth over the same area. It's always best to do this in the shade. I'm in direct sunlight, but it's very cool. It's about 69 degrees today. It's a beautiful day. So you go back and forth. When you wax a car, you're masking the paint, which is why you do the circles and you leave a residual on. But in this case, you want to polish the same area, remove the buildup to get to the original state of the paint job, or the remaining. Now this is a carbon fiber hood. Okay, that looks beautiful. It's squeaky clean. Okay, this is real easy to use. It's not hard to use. It does take some elbow grease, but you can clean it in sections. You just go back and forth. Okay, you can do half the hood panel today, come back and do the other half next week, next month, 6 months from. It doesn't matter, because this is a permanent fix. I'm not putting shine over an ugly area to mask it. I'm not trying to put an artificial shine. I'm removing embedded contaminants, oxidation, any type of old wax residue, contamination from the road, all that stuff's being cleaned off. And what you see is what remains. I mean, that is beautiful. This is a carbon fiber hood. I found this at a thrift store, not a junkyard. Normally, that's a funny thing. I went to a thrift store because I like buying old furniture, fixing it up. And they had this one there. I thought that was really funny. Anyways, so now this is restored. Okay? There's no, all the oxidation. Listen. You can hear that. Okay? Because that's oxidation, contamination embedded in this carbon fiber. But I use this. Listen. You don't hear nothing. It's smooth and shiny right here. But there's also no wax, because this is not a wax, it's a paint cleaner. Okay, now the paint's been cleaned. This is going to take 5-10 years to get like this again, because I cleaned it. Now this one here is a sealer wax, or sealing wax. You put this on, and what this is going to do, it's going to lock in and protect that beautiful shine, that beautiful finish we just brought back. Now I have to tell you guys, this is not a detail job. This is not like this is paint restoration. After you do these 2 steps, you clean and you seal. And when you use this, sometimes it seems like the paint job just absorbs it, like it just soaks it right up. So after you do these 2 steps, you let it set. It's best to leave this on there for about 10-15 minutes. Afterwards, that's it. I just put it on there and took it off just for the sake of time. But look how beautiful that came out. I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can see it up really close. So the cleaner removes the oxidation, the sealer seals it up. This paint job is repaired, it's restored. It's not perfect, you still got those striations and cracks, the deeper ones, but look at that. Okay? These are those really expensive hoods that were real popular in 2000. The Camaro hoods, a lot of people were buying these. They're like $200 to $700 for these carbon fiber hoods. And look how beautiful that came out. I mean, that's like, look at that. Wow. Look at that, look at that refraction. Wow, that's just, wow. So, that's just amazing. Look at that. Now over here, you can see it's just terrible. Can you hear that? Over here, you don't hear nothing because it's smooth and shiny again. So you use this to make your paint job smooth and shiny again. If your paint job, the hood, roof, and trunk are starting to haze up the top parts of your car and they don't look good, these are for fixing them. These are for cleaning and restoring the paint job. Brings them back. Look how beautiful that came out. That's just amazing. Wow. Look at that. All right, guys. Wow. Isn't that pretty? Man. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. If you have friends with paint jobs where they're starting to haze up, you want them to fix them before they peel, because once they delaminate, they'll never be perfect. This one's going to come out pretty good. All right, guys, later. Take care. Bye.